Hello, my beautiful people. How are you doing today? I want to take my time to appreciate each and every one of you out there. Thank you so much for your support. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe now, like, comment. Let us know if you understand the things that you are learning from my tutorials. Turn your notification bell to get notified to see my next video. Today's tutorial is interesting because we are going to cut and sew this tie that you are seeing on the screen together, kimono dress with front design. So if you are interested to know how to make this kind of style, guys, keep on watching to the end, and don't forget to bring out your fabric so that you can also cut this style that we are making today together. So let's get started now, guys. So I have my crepe material and a pink crepe material also for my front design. So I'm going to use this pink to design the front of my kimono dress that I'm making today. So guys, stick around, keep on watching to the end. So let me spread it. I'm going to spread it now so that we can get started now with our tutorial properly. So I'm going to fold it into 4 pieces because I'm going to cut the front and the back piece together. Now I folded my fabric into 4 pieces because I'm cutting the front piece and the back piece together. Alright, so I will start by taking the width of my measurement, which is 13 inch. Okay, so I'll go ahead now to take the length, and I'm going by 54 inch for the length of my kimono dress that I'm making today. Alright, so what I will do now, I will measure my neckline, which is 3.5 inch. So I'm going to bring the depth of my neckline by 3 inch. Okay, so that's the 3 inch. Alright, since it has front opening, I will just mark 2 inch. Okay, so guys, the style that we are making today is a simple one. Alright, so keep on watching down to the end so that you can see the fitness of this outfit that we are making today. So my shoulder is by 8 inch. So I'm going to just loop my shoulder by 1 inch. Alright, so I'll just draw a straight line. Okay, that's for my shoulder. So I'm sloping it by 1 inch. Don't forget that. So I'll just connect the lines together. On my bust, I'm going to mark 44 inch. Then I'll add 1 inch for my stitching allowance. I will mark 15 inch for my half length because of my size. You know I'm not too big. Okay, so that's the 15 inch for my half length. So I'll just draw a straight line. I'll go ahead now to measure 42 inch for my waist and also add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. So I'm going to curve my armhole. Then I'm going to connect all the lines together, take it down to my hemline. So guys, you can see that the style that we are cutting together today is very simple to cut and sew on your own. If only you can watch this particular tutorial down to the end. So keep on watching this tutorial down to the end so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making, because I really want you to actually cut it on your own after watching this particular tutorial. And please don't forget to give this video more watch time. You can give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and also learn from it. You can comment, let us know what you think about our tutorials, and can also make us to understand that you are getting what you are learning from our tutorials by commenting. So I want to have a conversation with you guys. Let me know what you think about my tutorials, and that's the essence of making this particular tutorials for you guys to watch and also cut and sew it by yourself. You can also watch my other tutorials that I have on my channel already. So I have a similar styles there that you can also watch so that you can also understand what we are doing today. Don't forget we are cutting this particular style together. Kimono dress. It's going to have front design in the front, and I'm going to use the pink fabric that I showed you guys. That's what I'm going to use to design the front of this dress that we are making. It's a trendy style that is trending here in Nigeria and other parts of Africa countries. So you too can also cut and sew your own so that you can also wear it out. Okay, so I'm going to pull out the neckline now. So guys, let us cut out our front neckline now. So this is how to cut the front neckline. Okay, so I'm going to just use my scissors to follow the mark that I have marked on the neck already, so you can see the way I'm going to cut it. Just follow the chalk that you have on your neckline, and I'm going to also open the front. You can see I'm going to just open it a little. So I followed the measurement I had already on my fabric to cut the neckline, so you can see it now. So let me open it for you to see the unique neckline that we are cutting today. Guys, don't forget we are using this crepe material to achieve this style. Remember, it has front design. So this is the pink fabric that I'm going to use to design the front. Okay, so this is how to go about it. First, I will fold the pink material. I've done that already, so I'm going to use the front neckline that we have cut already, the one that we just cut now. Okay, and place on the pink fabric. So this is how to go about it. Okay, so I'll just use my scissors now and follow the neckline that we have cut already on the blue fabric. So this is how to go about it. Just use your scissors to follow the neckline that you have cut already on your main fabric. Okay, so let me remove the blue fabric now. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead to take the length of my pink fabric, which is 20 inch. Okay, so at the bottom part I'm going to mark 2.5 inch. Okay, so that's the 2.5 inch, and at the other side of it I'm going to also mark 3.5 inch for the width. Okay, so that's it. So you can see how simple it is for you to cut and sew it on your own. Okay, so I'll just go ahead now to cut it out. So after cutting it, I'm going to run a stitch on it. I'll iron it out. So after sewing it out, then I'm going to place it on the neck of the blue fabric. So let me open it so that you can see the shape now. So this is how it is now. So you can see how simple it is. So let us cut the sleeve. So let's cut the sleeve now. Okay, so I folded it, and that's my length that I'm going to take now. Okay, so before then let me just draw a line there. So I'm going to take the length, which is 9 inch. Okay, so I'm going by 8 inch for the width. Now I will mark 1 inch for my armhole, then I'll just curve it. Then my round sleeve I'm going by 7 inch. Then I'll connect all the marks together. So I'll just cut it out. So it's going to have going to attach the pink fabric. I'm going to attach it at the edge of the sleeve, so it's going to appear at the edge of my sleeve. Okay, so I'm going to also show you guys how to go about it. Alright, so just keep on watching to the end. So that's the pink fabric that is going to appear at the edge of my sleeve. Alright, so I'll just fold it again. I'll fold it into two a bit. I'm going to just use a small piece of it out of the pink fabric that you are seeing now. So I'm going to just use 2 inch for the width. Okay, so after that I'll cut it out. So I'm going to just run my stitch on it, then I'll iron it, then I'll attach it to the main dress that we are making today. Don't forget we are making kimono dress. So you can see how simple it is to cut and sew this particular style that we are cutting today. So guys, if you don't understand it, please just watch it again. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and you are able to get one or two things from it that you are going to use to make your own after watching this particular tutorial. So if you don't still get it, you can watch this particular tutorial again. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, family members. Please also ask them to watch this particular tutorial to the end. Turn on the notification bell to get notified to see my next video. Alright, so guys, just keep on watching this particular channel down to the end. Thank you so much for watching.